Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing La Quinta by Wyndham New Iberia. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. La Quinta by Wyndham New Iberia, Louisiana. Quinta by Wyndham New Iberia features accommodations in New Iberia, 7 miles away from the Tabasco Factory and Country Store. The accommodations offers a 24-hour front desk as well as free Wi-Fi throughout the property. A cable TV is provided in each air-conditioned guest room at La Quinta Inn and Suites New Iberia. All guest rooms include a private bathroom with a bath or shower, a microwave, a refrigerator, a coffee maker and a hairdryer. A daily continental breakfast for extra charge is provided. Guests can work out in the fitness center. For convenience, business center and vending machines with drinks and snacks are available on site at La Quinta New Iberia. New Iberia Town Center is 3 miles away from this hotel. Bayou Teche Museum is 10 minutes drive away. Avery Island is 20 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.